Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Myself Nishad Rahim Patel.
And myself, Tahura Fatima.
We are from class 7. Today me and my friend will explain you what is hemodialysis and its procedure. So hemodialysis stands for two words, hemo and dialysis. Hemo means blood and dialysis means filtration. It means the filtration of blood. When our kidneys stop functioning, we use a procedure called hemodialysis. There are two types of blood, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Due to a high amount of deoxygenated blood, our kidneys are not able to function properly.
Hence, doctor recommend this process. So first of all, deoxygenated blood is passed through a renal artery through this pipe. Then there is a pump in our model where oxygenated blood is pumped in our dialyzing machine. The dialyzing solution which is present in our dialyzing machine consists of water, glucose and salt. This pipe helps in removing all the wastages present in our blood, and the remaining wastages will remove through the process of diffusion or settle down. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are the girls of class 8. Today we are going to show that how water cycle works in our environment. So water cycle has 4 stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. In the process of evaporation, sun heat water from lakes, oceans and rivers and release a gas called vaporization. This process is called vaporization. Second is condensation. In the process of condensation, water vapor transfer into water droplets. Precipitation, when clouds get heavy and cannot hold water anymore, it fell on earth in the form of rain, snow and hails. And after it rains, water get collected into oceans, lakes and rivers. Thus we know that how water cycle works in our environment. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Jafri Masradeen of grade 9th, and we are presenting our project, which is windmill power generator. When we are referring to windmill power generator, we are referring to wind turbine. The wind turbine converts the kinetic energy into the mechanical energy. Then it converts the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. It has many applications such as in water pumps, hybrid systems and many more. It also has many advantages such as it is environmental friendly and more. So let us see how it functions. First, we have blades. The blades are designed in such a way that it captures the kinetic energy from the wind. Then we have the rotor. The blades are rotating because of this rotor. And then we have this generator. The rotor turns into a generator. Inside the generator, an induction occurs. With the help of this process, the mechanical energy converts into the electricity. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Zohar Khazi of class 7. We have made a working model of Chandrayaan 3. The Chandrayaan 3 needs the help of injection and pipe. We have also used light green and red color. We have also used cotton in this because the cotton is like smoky. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Noor Muhammad of class 7. This is Chandrayaan 3 working model. The process of Chandrayaan 3 goes up and down with the help of injection and pipe. The process of injection and pipe is known as hydraulic pressure. With the help of hydraulic pressure, Chandrayaan goes up and down. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Zikradeep Khadri of class 7. And I am Maryam Khadri of class 7. And we are here to explain to you the neutralization reaction. When an acidic solution and a basic solution are mixed together, both the solutions are neutralized. When an acid and a base are mixed in suitable amount, the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base is destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Here we are using turmeric, a natural indicator. Salt is produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Salt is sodium chloride and water is hydrogen oxide. For the base, we are using detergent powder, that is sodium hydroxide, one of the strongest known bases. Now this solution will turn red. To neutralize the effect of the base, we are adding lemon juice which contains citric acid. In everyday life, we use neutralization in many ways. For example, when an ant stings, it injects formic acid in the skin, resulting in the inflammation of the skin. We use zinc carbonate to neutralize the effect. Zinc carbonate is a weak base, meaning that even if applied as calamine lotion, there will be no harm to the skin. Excessive acid in the stomach is excessive acid in the stomach sometimes causes indigestion or acidity. Sometimes indigestion can be painful. To relieve the pain, we use an antacid such as milk of magnesia or O2 to neutralize the effect of acid in the stomach. Thank you.
I am principal of Everest Group of School. Today our students have organized science exhibition and best out of waste. You can see what efforts they have taken. I appreciate my students and staff that they had worked hard for the success of this exhibition. Thank you. Today we have with us guest of honor Dr. Seema Khadri ma'am, Dr. Aska Khadri ma'am, and I welcome the guest and also appreciate the efforts of the students. Thank you.
टीचर्स हैव
मैडम आज जो बच्चों ने जो अच्छे जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं
जी
एग्जीबिशन दिए थे
जी
क्या कहना चाहिए?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी टू सी that the children have made 2 to 3 topics differently. First, waste out of something out of the waste. ये छोटे बच्चों ने जो बनाया है बहुत बेहतरीन तरीके से ना, जो बेकार काम की चीज़ नहीं रहती उसकी काम की चीज़ बना के बताए हैं. दूसरा, हर टॉपिक जो उनके क्लास में ये क्लास वाइज जो भी उनको प्रैक्टिकल में दिया गया है, हर बच्चे ने अलग अलग तरह से बेहतरीन मॉडल्स बनाए हैं जो कि देखने के लायक है और तारीफ़ के काबिल है. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम. आज जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन हुआ है उसमें बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से प्रिपरेशन की है. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मॉडल्स बनाए हैं. यहाँ तक कि बच्चों ने आउट ऑफ द वे जाकर जो ऐसे मॉडल्स बनाए जो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और उनको आगे फ्यूचर डेवलपमेंट में भी हेल्प करेंगे. और इसके अंदर उनके पेरेंट्स ने भी, टीचर्स ने भी बहुत मदद की है और प्रेजेंटेशन भी काफ़ी अच्छा रहा और बच्चों के एक्सप्लेनेशंस भी बहुत अच्छे थे. दे वर एबल टू गिव द आंसर्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो and they were well prepared. It was a good function and good to attend. जी जी, इसमें हर क्लास से प्राइज दिया जाएगा फर्स्ट सेकंड इंशाल्लाह. देखते हैं
जो बच्चों के पेरेंट्स हैं
जी,
उनका क्या कहना है? जो बच्चे जो है अच्छे,
हाँ, their feedback is also very nice. They are very happy and satisfied and they also have participated in this project. मतलब जो बच्चों के प्रोजेक्ट रहे, पेरेंट्स ने भी उसमें खूब मेहनत की है, इसलिए पेरेंट्स भी बहुत अच्छे से इंथुजियास्टिकली उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया इसके अंदर, इसलिए बहुत खुश हैं पेरेंट्स भी.
ये यश रखें कि हर साल जो आप ऐसे साइंस एग्जीबिशन.
जी जी, इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर. विल डू दिस एवरी ईयर.
आज एवरेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल में यहाँ पर एक साइंस एग्जीबिशन लिया गया. ये सब मेहनत बच्चों की है, मगर उसके साथ जो स्टाफ मेंबर्स है एवरेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल के, वो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. बच्चे बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. प्रिंसिपल का गाइडलाइन रहती और उसकी वजह से आज एवरेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल का नाम बच्चे रोशन कर रहे हैं. बहुत बच्चों ने हार्ड वर्क करके एग्जीबिशन के लिए बहुत मेहनत करे और एक साइंस से मैसेज देने की कोशिश करे बच्चों ने कि जो नया नया साइंस में इम्प्रूवमेंट हो रहा. आज जब बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स भी एग्जीबिशन देखने के लिए आए, उन्होंने, बच्चे भी खुश थे मगर पेरेंट्स भी उससे बहुत ज़्यादा खुश थे. तो बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए ऐसे एग्जीबिशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऐसे ओपिनियन बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ने दिए. हर साल हम यही कोशिश करेंगे. मैं एवरेस्ट ग्रुप में बीएड कॉलेज की प्रिंसिपल हूँ और हम एवरेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल ये नया हर साल नया अचीवमेंट के लिए, नए चीज़ों के लिए हर तरीके से हम कोशिश करते रहेंगे और एवरेस्ट ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल का नाम हमारे बच्चे रोशन कर रहे हैं. ऐसे बच्चों से हम उम्मीद करेंगे. थैंक यू सर.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Zikradeep Khadri of class 7th, here to explain neutralization reaction. When an acid is mixed with a base to form salt and water, the reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Salt and water are the end products of neutralization reaction. Salt is produced with the evolution of heat. Neutralization reaction in everyday use. We use it when an ant bites. It injects formic acid in the skin. It ejects formic acid in the skin, resulting in inflammation. It can be neutralized by zinc carbonate, which is a weak base, meaning that no harm will be caused to the skin. Thank you.